Schwarzkopf, Goodbye Yellow. This is excellent. Now, if you're someone who's growing out your gray hair, or if you're someone who dyes your hair blonde regularly and find that your hair gets yellowy and brassy in the last few weeks or a couple of weeks of its cycle before you have to dye your roots again, this is the product for you. So it's basically a toner that's been put into shampoo, and it works best when you don't use it every day. I don't think you need to use it every day. Just use it when your hair is getting that brassy effect. But what I do recommend is that you keep it in your hair and let it sit in there for a few minutes as directed, and it will indeed tone down those brassy tones that come out. And so this prolongs the life of my hair dye so that I can save, because dyeing your hair is very damaging. So if you can extend or reduce the amount of times you dye your hair by making your hair look better longer. Now the roots is a different issue, but at least the actual hair quality can remain good. Now there are other companies that make this kind of product to reduce the yellow in your hair, but I like this Schwarzkopf one best. And actually this is a company that I know well and trust. I've used many of their other products over the years. So this is a staple that I keep on my countertop and put in my shower at the end of every 2 months or so. Recommend.